In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add recipient on Wise. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to select, and which details to provide, so your payments reach the right person without delays. First, from your Wise dashboard, look to the left-hand side and click Recipients. This is your address book for payments, where all the people and businesses you send money to are saved. Keeping this list tidy helps you pay faster and avoid retyping information every time. Next, choose Add Recipient. Think of this as creating a new contact. Wise will guide you through a short form, and it usually takes just a minute or two if you have the details ready. You'll be asked to select their currency. Choose the currency of the account you're sending to, not your own currency. For example, if the person's bank account is in pounds, pick GBP. If it's a euro account, pick EUR. Getting this right is important because bank details vary by currency and country, and picking the wrong one can cause a failed or delayed transfer. Now enter their bank details, or search for Wise users by their email, phone number, or Wise tag. If you're entering bank details, provide them exactly as they appear on the recipient statement. Different countries require different fields, things like IBAN, sort code and account number, routing and account number, CLAB, BSB, or bank codes. So don't be surprised if the form changes depending on the currency you selected. Double-check the account holder's name and any required numbers before you move on. A single digit off can send your money to the wrong place or bounce the transfer. If the person you're paying uses Wise, it can be even quicker to find them by their email, phone number, or Wise tag. This helps avoid entering bank numbers at all. Just make sure you're selecting the correct profile, especially if multiple results appear. If Wise shows a confirmation screen with initials or a country, take a moment to confirm it matches the person you intend to pay. And there you go. Once those details are in, Wise will save the recipient to your list. The next time you need to send money, you can pick them in seconds without re-entering anything. If anything changes later, like a bank switch or a different currency account, you can update or add a new recipient whenever you need. That's all. You've added a recipient on Wise, and you're ready to send a speedy, accurate transfer.